Myself, Dr. D. Nagesh Shastri, Associate Professor, Head of Department of Chemistry, Veerashaiva College, Ballari. Today, I am going to teach on environmental chemistry. So, environmental comprises of atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, biosphere. And what is atmosphere? Before going to that, what is environmental? Environmental is defined as the things surrounding us is known as environment. So let me take a parts of the comprises of environment one by one. Atmosphere, it is the layer of gases surrounded by the earth. It filters harmful radiations and allows near ultraviolet radiations, visible and other longer wavelength radiations to pass through it. Hydrosphere, it includes all types of water bodies like rivers, ponds, lakes, oceans, glaciers, polar ice caps, etc. Then lithosphere, it is the outer crust of the earth consisting of minerals and soil. And biosphere, it includes all living organisms and their interactions with atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. Then environmental chemistry is a science which deals with various chemical phenomena occurring in the environment. It includes the study of sources and effects of certain specific chemical species called pollutants on air, water and soil. The environmental pollution is the contamination of air, water and soil with the substances which have adverse effect on human beings, animals and plants. Next, pollutant is a substance produced either by a natural source or by human activity which has an adverse effect on the environment, that is, which causes environmental pollution. However, differentiation is made between the pollutant and contaminant. Pollutant is the substance which is already present in nature. If its concentration increased to undesirable proportions by human activity so that it spoils the environment and reduces the quality of life or affects health. Example, carbon dioxide, oxides of nitrogen, oxides of sulfur, pollen grains and dust, etc. The contaminant is a substance that does not occur in nature but is introduced in significant amounts into the environment by human action. A contaminant is also reduces a quality of life and affects health. Example, methyl isocyanate, shortly it is called as MIC, is not present in nature but it is introduced into nature by pesticide industries, is a contaminant. Kinds of pollutants. Pollutants may be grouped as chemical agents such as toxic metals, pesticides, herbicides, gaseous pollutants such as oxides of nitrogen, oxides of sulfur, ozone and PAN, particulates, organic and inorganic, and petroleum products, etc. Then physical agents, heat, radiation, it means ionizing and non-ionizing radiations, radioactive emissions, sound waves, odors, etc. The biological agents, pathogenic organisms, products of biological activity, etc. The kinds of pollutants. Pollutant may be grouped as chemical agents, toxic metals, pesticides, herbicides, gaseous pollutants, particulates, petroleum products. These are the types of pollutants. And physical agents, as I discussed in the previous slide, heat radiations, radioactive emissions, and biological means pathologic organisms. Then source of pollutions. The important source of pollutions in the environment are anthropogenic. It means industrial activity, agricultural activity, other man-made activities, including lifestyle and domestic activity. Natural sources, terrestrial activity, example volcanoes, extraterrestrial activity, and biogenic resources. It is a natural process, but man-made activities can be changed this natural activity at a large scale. Kinds of pollution. Depending upon the nature of pollution in different environment segments, the pollution may be categorized as follows: water pollution, soil or land pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, thermal pollution, and pollution by radioactive materials. Some terms in the study of environmental chemistry are a receptor. Receptor is an element or organism affected by the pollutant. Example, receptor of smoke, contaminated water, etc. Sink, the element or surroundings that interact and consume a long-lived pollutant. Example, oceans are sinks of atmospheric carbon dioxide, marble deposits are sinks of acid rains, groundwater, suboil water can act as sinks or pesticides used in agriculture. Threshold limiting value. This indicates the permissible level of toxic pollutant in atmosphere to which a healthy worker is exposed during the 8 hours of a day without adverse effect. So TLV value, it means a threshold limiting value of a pollutant is determined by experimentation on animals, medical knowledge, and experience of environmental studies. TLV values of some common pollutants are given in the below table. So pollutant, arsenic, the TLV value is 0.002, 0.05, benzene 10 ppm parts per million, carbon tetrachloride 5 ppm, chlorine 1, CHCl3 10, DDT 1, H2S 10, O3.1, nitrous oxide 0.5, lead 0 to 50, and mercury 0.01 to 0.05. This is the TLV values in parts per million. Dissolved oxygen. It is an important parameter for water quality because it is vital for aquatic life. The optimum value for a good water quality is 4 to 6 micrograms per liter. Lower the dissolved oxygen value indicate the polluted water unfit for human or aquatic life consumption. The biological oxygen demand, the capacity of organic matter in the sample of water to consume the oxygen is its biological oxygen demand. It is evaluated experimentally by determining the dissolved oxygen at the beginning and at the end of the 5-day period in a sealed sample. The BOD equals to the amount of oxygen consumed in the period as a result of oxidation of dissolved organic matter in the sample. The chemical oxygen demand, this is important water parameter, quality of water parameter. It is an index of the organic content of water because the most of the common substance oxidized by dissolved oxygen in water is organic matter having biological origin such as dead plant and animal waste. Dissolved oxygen is also consumed slight extent for oxidation of inorganic matter such as dissolved ammonia and ammonium salts into nitrates. Pollution adsorbs accidents. So nearly 4,000 people died of respiratory diseases in London in 1952 by suffocation and acid rain due to the industrial emissions. Hundreds of Japanese suffered from diseases and death during 1953 to 1960 on eating the polluted fish from Minamata Bay due to the pollution of the river water by industrial wastewater. So nearly 500 Iraqis died after consuming the polluted wheat in 1972 Bhopal gas tragedy in India. Effects of environmental pollution. Environmental pollution can affect the humans, animals, plants and also materials. It may be causes illness or even death in case of human and animals. It may be reduce the growth of desert plants in some cases of severe injury. The effect on material include corrosion of metals and marbles as well as decorating pies.